This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook coconut rice. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 cups of long-grain rice, like jasmine or basmati. Also, prepare 1 full 14-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar to balance the flavors. These essential items are all you need for a perfectly fragrant and tender dish, ready in about 25 minutes of active cooking. First, rinse your 2 cups of rice under cool running water. Continue rinsing for several minutes until the water runs completely clear, which removes excess starch. This crucial step prevents stickiness and ensures each grain cooks perfectly. Next, in a medium saucepan, combine the entire 14-ounce can of coconut milk with 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar, then stir everything together until the salt and sugar have fully dissolved into the liquid mixture. Once your liquid is prepared, add the rinsed rice directly into the saucepan. Stir gently just once to evenly distribute the grains. Now, place the saucepan over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat immediately to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 15 minutes. Do not peek or lift the lid during this time, as it traps the steam essential for cooking the rice. After the 15 minutes of simmering, turn off the heat completely. Keep the lid on the pot and let the rice rest for an additional 10 minutes off the burner. This resting period is incredibly important. It allows the rice grains to steam further and fully absorb any remaining liquid, resulting in a perfect texture. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the fragrant coconut rice with a fork. It is now ready to serve as a delicious and versatile accompaniment to many meals, perhaps with grilled chicken or fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.